It was a replay of last year's final in the DP World Asia Cup Rising Stars 2025, and boy, did it live up to the billing. Nervy at the start, nervy at the end, but entertainment galore right in the middle, and eventually the defending champions came up trumps with 3 wickets in hand. I would like to extend our gratitude, and the Asian Cricket Council would also like to extend its gratitude to our broadcast partner, Sony Sports Network, and to all our sponsors, DP World, Hero MotoCorp, Air India Express, Indian Oil, Freeman's and Kent RO. A special thank you to all the government bodies, local authorities, volunteers and everyone who contributed to the smooth conduct of today's game. In the presentation party to my left is Mr. Khalid Al Suwaidi, CEO and Assistant Tournament Director, Qatar Cricket Association. He will also present the Player of the Match award. The player of the match today for a spell of 4 for 45 is Bilal Sami of Afghanistan A. He was on a hat-trick in the middle, a cotton bowled for Krushpule and then getting the wicket of Arachigi as well. Bilal Sami, the player of the match. If I could ask him to share his thoughts, and Sadiqul Atal has been kind enough and gracious enough to translate for him.
Yeah, sure.
Bilal, wonderful start on a batting wicket to bowl that well. What was the strategy behind it?
وای ډیر ښه بولینګ دی وکړه په دا رقم بیټینګ وکټ باندې نو ستا سټراټیجي څه شی وه؟
بسم الله الرحمن الرحیم. سر کې خو د لوی تعالی ډېر زیات شکر ادا کوم چې زموږ د ټورنمنټ لومړی میچ او موږ وګټو. نو موږ ته چې کوم پلان راکول شوی و نو ما هغه پلان پسې روان وم، نو الحمدلله ډېر ښه کېده.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحیم. I said first of all thanks from my dear Allah for that kind of performance. The wicket was very friendly for batting, so I had my own plan in my mind to hit the dead hard in the right areas more. The plan that was given from the captain and coach, I just applied that and it works.
What was the plan from the captain and coach? Because in the power play itself, taking those 3 wickets, setting that platform, that was very key.
وای دغه پلان چې و چې مطلب تا په پاور پلی کې 3 وکټ واخیستې او دغه ټیم دې ته ښه سټارټ ورکړه.
بالکل موږ پلان دا و چې اټیکینګ کرکټ وکړو. نو سر کې لومړي 2 اورو کې چون سرند راغله نو خو موږ زه یې نه پرېښوست، عمل ته لګیا وو. نو اوریشن سره مې بالینګ وکړو نو ډېر ښه کېده. هماغه و چې ما ښه وکټ یې واخیستې.
Yeah, the plan was just hitting the right areas like 4th stump, 5th stump and use my own variation. So that was the plan. Yeah.
You've been knocking on the doors of the senior team as well. Such performances will obviously give you a lot of confidence. Where do you go from here?
وای مطلب دلته چې ته نېشنل ټیم کې دې لوبې کړې دي که نه دغسې پرفارمنس به وایي تا لپاره ډېر کانفیډنس درکړي. نو وایي تا آینده کې دې په اړه څه سوچ کوې؟
انشاءالله خواري به کوو، داسې بیا نه پرېږدو. نو نور هم ځان ښه کول غواړي. نو زما همدغه پلان ده چې د خپل د وطن دپاره څومره ښه کېدی شم او څومره خواري محنت دې زه به یې کوم انشاءالله چې د خپل وطن دپاره ښه ویاړونه راوړم.
I always work hard and I looking for this kind of performance. If it is in international level or the A-team level, so it will help me a lot in my confidence to go back in the national side and play more good cricket for Afghanistan.
Well, thank you so much. Congratulations. Bilal Sami there, the player of the match for a brilliant spell of 4 for 45. Well, first up, I'd like to get the thoughts of Duneet Walalage and have his take on this match. Duneet, tough luck. A game that ebbed and flowed. Sometimes you had control, sometimes Afghanistan A had control. What are your initial reactions on this?
Yeah, I think our team overall did few mistakes when we are batting in power play. So I think that's the only mistake we did. Overall, my bowlers bowl really well, especially Vias Khan. He bowled really well. So.
Yeah, in terms of the batting, given the number of runs that have been scored in this ground, do you feel you fell a bit short? And what could have been done better? What was it, shot selection, or was Afghanistan's bowling just that good?
Afghanistan bowlers bowl really well. They have good experience side. Also, I think when we are batting in the power play, we collapse few wickets. So I think that's the only mistake we did. So overall, we have good positives as a team. So yeah.
And in terms of being on the field, of course, Vijayakant Vyas bringing the game back in, fielding, having its moments and then not having its moments. Any improvements there?
Yeah, I think when we are bowling, we bowl really well. I think we have to score another 10 more runs. Then I think we can have a good game.
Well, thank you so much, Duneet, for joining us. Hopefully, you get a better result against Hong Kong.
Thank you.
Duneet Wellalage there, the captain of Sri Lanka A. Well, it is my honor to invite the captain of the winning team now, Darvish Rasooli of Afghanistan A, the defending champions, the defending captain, and yet again, Sadiqullah Atal has been coming in to translate for us. Congratulations, winning start against the team that you defeated last time around. Must be feeling good.
مننه ډیره زیاته واقعا د اول لوبه ډیره مهمه وي نو موږ وتولی سو چې دغه اوله لوبه وګټو او مخکې ټورنمنټ ته لږ همداسې نور هم خلاړ سو.
Yeah, the first match is always important to win in the tournament, so it gives us a lot of confidence in the upcoming matches.
Especially in this group, because you have Sri Lanka A, Bangladesh A, which is your next match. Every run counts, every moment counts, even net run rate can come into play.
هو واقعا موږ ګروپ لږ سخته ده ځکه چې موږ سره بنګلادیش هم د هانګ کانګ هم ټول نشنل ټیم وي نو همدا یې چې موږ هلکان هم خپل هیفټ کوو موږ چې کوم مقصد دپاره راغلی یو کوم ګول دپاره راغلی یو هغه دپاره خواري کوو او باید ښه کرکټ وکړو.
Yeah, our group is really tough because all of the teams are very good side. So we have that in our mind. So we have to win every match, every single match that we are playing. So we don't look for the net run rate that much. We just want to focus one match per time and win that. Yeah.
The bowling did well, but when it came to batting, the man to your left, of course, had a 50 to his name. But after that, there was that collapse. What was the mood in the dressing room? What were your thoughts when you were in the middle yourself?
واقعا چې کوم صدیق موږ ته سټارټ راکړ نو میډل کې موږ لږ راګیسو ځکه چې موږ وکټ لاړې او هلته سټرایک روټیټ موږ کم کړ نو بیرته یو څه لږ سخته شو بیرته ښه یو چې ما راګیر کړ نو هغه کې بیرته یو څه سکور راغله نو میچ مو وګټو.
Yeah, that back-to-back wickets was a bit headache for us in the middle over. So, but on behalf of him, I had that belief that as long as I am in the pitch, so I'll finish that match. But that one missed time, I also got my wicket. But hope that we won the match. That was the main thing. Yeah.
That's what matters, doesn't it? Congratulations. Best of luck for the next match as well.
Thank you.
Sorry for my English.
Congratulations to you too, Atal. One more 50, 6 50s in a row. That is a brilliant record at the emerging
Thank you so
Asian
much.
Cup.
Thank you.
There you go. Darvish Rasooli and Sadiqullah Atal there. And that is the end of the presentation.